Hello, my name is Daniel Choi. I'm the fellow instructor assisting Dr. Hong's PU 80 3020 class. Here are a few homework 5 questions we may consider about time cost CPM scheduling model analysis. Now, the first question here is to find the total time of the project and the total cost. Time cost CPM scheduling is incorporating both duration and cost of project activities to optimize the schedule at the lowest cost. So CPM is identifying the longest path, determining the shortest possible project duration. So there are two paths because activity D has two immediate predecessor. First one takes A, B, D, E route. It takes total 4, 3, 3, 3, 13 days. And then process 2 is A, C, D, E, total 11 days. There are 2 days slack. Total cost is like the total of normal cost without crash. It is $1,900. So let's consider then we want to reduce the total time by one day, right? So which activities would you crash? There are crashable activities, but activity B, no crash, is possible because crash time equals normal time at 3 days. So A, C, D, and E, by choosing those activities to crash, you can save 1 day. But which activities would you choose to do it at the lowest cost? Lowest crash cost per day is $200 at A, 300 at B, 100 at D, and 500 at E. Because the lowest crash cost per day is activity D, let us choose D. So the duration used to be 13 days, as we have seen in the red over there, and then by choosing the activity D to reduce from 3 days to 2 days, now you can finish within 12 days from the normal days of 13. Then the cost, it will increase, right? So 1900 used to be the total, and then add $100. So because cost increased from $500 to $600, so the total cost is $2,000, including the crash cost. So the answer is the total time is 12 days. Total cost is $2,000. The second question here, we are trying to find when it had happened to arrive the optimal solution using time cost CPM scheduling module. Please look at the table over there. There are indirect costs in blue, indirect costs in orange, and total costs in gray. Optimal solution in time cost CPM is the lowest point on the total cost curve, which is in gray. Project total cost is addition of direct costs plus indirect costs. Then what is direct costs and indirect costs. Direct costs are labor and overtime that when when there is a linear uh, relationship, when you try to short the schedule to get it faster, the higher the cost it would be. Meanwhile, indirect costs such as overhead, utility, it will when the schedule gets longer, the cost will be higher. Uh, when you see the gray, um, we see the like a lowest point, right? It is the it is when we can identify the minimum total cost, which is $800. So when the when we can find the answer at D, the total cost is minimum. That is when we found the optimal solution. We can uh, do we can finish this project at the shortest amount of time at uh, the lowest cost possible. So the third question here, um, it is we have I have normal standard normal probabilities table, which is also called as Z table. The here it is given the mean, which is the average. Average meaning critical path length, which is 20 days as found at the question here. The variance is $16. Usually, our variance is the square number. So we have to find the sigma. Sigma is rooted under 16, so it is 4 days. The probability that the project will be completed in 22 days. So we want to finish within 22 days. 20 days are given as the mean, so that's already 50%, and 2 days are added. 2 days are half of 1 sigma of 4 days. Therefore, it is we have to find the 0.5 at the Z table. As you see on the right, as highlighted, it is 0.6915. So when it is rounded to 2 decimals, it's 0.69. So the answer is D, 0.69. Thank you.